Welcome back to one more useful and interesting video. In this video, I am going to talk about CBSE pre-board exam. With an eye on CBSE board exam for class 10th and 12th, schools are gearing up to conduct pre-board examination online after the second week of December. Several schools have developed their own AI-based platform for this test. On December 3, CBSE had announced that the board exam schedule for next year will be conducted offline. However, with the possibility of conducting pre-board exam online, schools are trying to ensure no unfair mean are adopted by the student while taking the test. And for this, the parents or guardians have been assigned the invigilator. Some schools have taken it a step forward and asked the students to keep a mirror behind them so that the camera capture various angles. After reopening in the first week of November for around 2 weeks, schools in Haryana were ordered closed after several students were found with the infection. While the date of resumption of physical classes in the state was set for December 10, the Directorate of Education has written to the government urging schools to remain shut till the end of this year. Bhishma Bhardwaj, president of Gurgaon Sahodaya, an association of schools in the district, said, "Earlier we had hoped to conduct the pre-board offline in small batches, but it seems unlikely now, and so we have decided to conduct the assessment online. Most board papers are 80-mark exam, and we want to give students the practice of writing the whole paper. But we also want to make the experience simpler for them." Charu Maini, principal of DAV Public School Sector 49, said, "They are employing artificial intelligence-based platform for smoother monitoring and assistance of student. The software will take photos every few seconds and create time-lapse videos of each examine to be shared with the teacher. It will help identify students asking for external help or looking away. Multiple photographs of students taken every few seconds are stitched to create a time-lapse video of every exam, which is shared with the teacher as a report. The technology identifies test taker seeking external help or looking away from the test screen and flags them. The platform additionally features such as auto selection and randomization of question, navigation control, and window and image proctoring are built in to ensure a seamless examination process," said Maini. "We have decided to divide each paper into two parts. First MCQ based question will appear with time frame and the second part will be subjective. After writing the paper, they will submit by converting the photos of their answers into PDF and make evaluation less stressful for teachers," she said. Sudha Goyal, principal of Scottish High International School, said, "They will also be using a similar technology for conducting the pre-board examination. We require students to keep their webcam on during the examination. We encourage the use of two devices, one to download and refer to the question paper and the other in which the camera can be continuously to monitor," she said. Students of HBSE, Haryana Board of School Education, meanwhile are waiting for directions to conduct the pre-board exam. "We will conduct the test virtually in December but still hope to hold a second round of pre-board offline next month. Our board student will be writing 2.5 hour exam, but we cannot force them to keep their cameras on if they say they cannot. So we will also be conducting oral exam for an honest assessment," said Yashpal Yadav, State President, Haryana School Shikshan Sangathan. Share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit by that video. Thank you for watching this video.